Hello, and welcome to Lightworks 11.5. In this video, we'll be looking at the changes made to the user interface. When you first launch Lightworks to the project's browser screen, you'll find the System Settings button on the bottom left. There's a number of new entries in this list. The user interface appearance may now be modified. Let's have a look at that. The first tab is Scale. You can calculate scale automatically based on your current resolution. Lightworks will size your windows and texts to give you an appropriate display. Should you wish to have anything different, simply use the slider to scale as you please. High-resolution retina displays are now supported, so you can maximize your screen real estate on these type of displays. Under the color palette, you can change the window color, modify the sliders or the color space, the text color, the headings color, subheading and selection colors. You can also modify the global brightness of these panels. Under the font section, you can change the typeface, click the drop-down menu and choose an alternate. You can also choose your own wallpaper from a selection that we provide, choose none, or browse to a file of your choice. Once you're happy with your settings, click Use New Settings. Access to the wording panel is now available in this settings list. Every text entry in Lightworks has an entry in the wording panel. You're free to modify these as you please for specific languages or if you'd like to change the text. We've also provisionally added some translations for other languages. This is in the very early stages. Should you wish to modify the translations to be closer, you're very welcome to do so. You'll find key assignments also duplicated from the Preferences panel within the software. And we've added a search field. Each time you press search, a function appears containing those search phrases. Also on this panel is the new macro engine, and we'll look at that in another video. You can create a macro to step through a number of shortcuts in one keystroke, and the macro designer is here. The Show the OS title bar has now been changed to show the full screen window, so you can stretch Lightworks across two monitors. A new feature is magnetic alignment, where windows will snap to each other or snap to a grid in Lightworks, and we'll see that in action shortly. We have hints that can be turned on or off, and also tooltips. When you hover over tools, they can come up at a variety of speeds or be turned off as well. In the hardware section, we're now able to switch hardware on demand depending on how much hardware is installed on your system. As a note, we've just added support for AJA, Kona and XT-IO. Drivers 10.4.1 are required for these devices, so you can switch between hardware and you can also use the system sound preview as well. Moved from the project card within the software are the output tests for test tones, the GPU tests for testing the performance of your GPU for real-time processing. We can also see licensed options now, and you can also manage your licenses should you purchase more and need to add them to a system. At the bottom, the software information shows the credits, and we'll see more about updates to the user interface in part 2 of this video. Thanks for watching.